Right guys, just a little quick video on how to change the mirror glass in a Passat B6, which is also the same for the Mk5 Golf. This got hit last week and the replacement glass has arrived now, so I'm just going to show you how to change it. It's quick and easy and you can do it yourselves. Now, seal pick, hook it in behind the glass, pull. Now, the glass had already fell out. You have two connections here for your heated mirror. There's your new glass. You can see there's two connections, there's one there and one there, and these two wires join into it for your heated mirror. That's the heated panel there, and there's the new glass. Push that in. Push that in. Now what you want to do is you want to push the glass in and you'll hear a clack when it goes into place. This is what I forgot to do. I forgot to take this bit off. Now, just push it in. Just remember to take this off, like I didn't. And there's your new glass. So you saved yourself about 30 or 40 euros in fitting charges. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.